alert forecast. It may be a frosty, frigid morning, but we actually have a milder day, but that's because winds are going to kick up. In fact, winds will continue to ramp up on into the evening for everyone, especially those up in the mountains. A wind advisory starts at 7 p.m. today and goes until 1 p.m. Thursday. Gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Now, most of you will have gusts closer to 30, so let's track that out so you can see the difference. Notice the winds pick up mid-morning, coming down into the valley late morning to midday. That's important because that's when the temperatures start cranking up, actually moving faster. But of course, that's because those winds are moving faster. So make sure the inflatables are already deflated. Ladies, skirt alert here. Gusts between 20 and 25 miles per hour spreading out throughout your afternoon. Gusts picking up closer to 30 miles per hour this evening. Again, then all the way up to 55 miles per hour up into the Smokies with that wind advisory. So we do have more of a windy evening into the early overnight, but overnight is when the winds start turning. Then we start getting this flow out of the west to north overnight tomorrow morning. This is what's going to guide colder air back into town. So the temperatures will actually be going down. At least the wind speeds will be decreasing. We'll start out with those gusts still around 20. Notice some 30-mile-per-hour winds first thing in the morning, northeast, but continue down 15, 20-mile-per-hour winds during the day for your Thursday. Coming down during the afternoon, and the temperatures keep on dropping. So we're kicking off your Wednesday out ahead of that cold front, needing all the warm layers. But at least the afternoon will be milder with those winds. So we'll start out around those upper teens to low 20s throughout our area. Sunrise is 7:31, 20 degrees in Knoxville at sunrise, 40 degrees at noon with those extra winds. Stray showers possible out of passing clouds, but really this front isn't producing a lot of moisture. It is producing a lot of wind and then that drop in temperature. Sunshine at 49 this afternoon and then 46 at 7 p.m. Yeah, the first alert forecast where you live for this afternoon is warm and breezy to windy at times. I think that'll get you to 49 in Knoxville and easily 51 in Madisonville to 50 Kingston. Yeah, cranking out upper 40s to right at 50, 49 Jamestown. To Oneida, catching that wind on the plateau, kind of spreads out. More of a uniform temperature. 48 La Follette to 46 in Harlan, 47 in Sneedville to 49 Pigeon Forge. So trying to share at least a milder afternoon with those winds. And then in that future cast, you can see what I mean in terms of a few clouds, a little stray drizzle to flurry in the morning here, northeast Tennessee, southeastern Kentucky. And that's where we've got that cloud cover first coming in while it's still cold. Then the winds pick up, the temperatures climb with this sunshine. Evening hours, clouds return with some stray drizzle across our area. Most of this will actually dry out. It's pretty light to begin with. A couple of light rain showers changing over to a couple of light snow showers up in our higher elevations. Like I said, the front doesn't look as impressive on the actual first alert futurecast, nor will it look like that on the live radar. This is what it'll look like as we have just a couple of stray mountaintop snow showers. First thing Thursday morning, out of here. Temperatures drop. Sunshine returns. But again, temperatures drop. So when I talk about that snowfall here, we're just barely kind of tipping the tops of the mountains with those stray little light snow showers. This system is not as impressive here as it is on the temperatures. In fact, I can chart it out midnight to midnight Thursday and give you a better idea of that drop in temperature because the official height on the almanac will come from while you're sleeping. You'll wake up Thursday morning. I want to first alert you to this, to being around 40 degrees at sunrise. The wind's turning out of the northwest. Temperatures tick down to around 36 Thursday afternoon, all the way down to 20s already at midnight. Thursday night, Friday morning, I do expect us to be back in those teens as we go into Friday on that chilly note again. Cold Saturday morning, but trying to at least recover to milder afternoons. Notice mid 40s on Saturday, low 50s on Sunday. Looking ahead to next week, we're still on track for some on and off rain Monday to Tuesday and at least milder conditions with that cold front.